All right, it's a hot day, man. Nova can't go outside. It's hot outside, and I know what to do with her. I'm gonna play with her favorite toy, the Traxxas remote control car. Today, I'm gonna use one of these. One of these she's scared of, one of these she isn't. I think I'm gonna take the orange rustler right here. This is the one I'm gonna take. And let's see if the battery's charged up. So let me see. Looks like, we're ready to go. But I don't know which remote we're paired to. So let me see. Maybe this remote. All right. Nope. This remote's paired up to this one. So this remote. There we go. We locked in. All right. So this is the remote. And looks like we're ready to go. So let's get Nova prepared. And we got to sneak attack her because she's not going to be able to handle it if I set her up. So look, let's see what she's doing. There she is. What's up, Nova? How are you? You bored? Are you bored? There you go. There you go. You're bored inside, huh? Well, I'm going to make you run around now. I'm going to make you run around a lot. What you think? You ready to run? You know something's up. You know something's up. You know I got something for you, huh? You just bored. You bored and you want to go outside and run, but you can't. All right, so we're going to have some fun. All right, here we go. All right. Oh, what happened? We not going? What the heck? It's not working. All right, let's go to plan B. For some reason, I'm not working. Hold up. There we go. There we go. Hey, baby. Say hi. Hi. Hey. Hi, Nova. All right, come on. Back. What do you think about that? Hi. What are you thinking? There you go. Give it a kiss. Give it a kiss. Hey. Aren't you supposed to be chasing it? You're not gonna chase it? Right there. What are you doing? You're not gonna chase it? All right. What are you doing? Chase it. Aren't you bored? What about right there? No? What are you doing? You normally chase it. What are you looking at? What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Man, you acting silly. Go get it. Go get it. There it is. Oh, don't break it. Oh, did I break it? Oh man, I'm making a mess. Oh, here it comes again. Oh, you gone? What happened? Where you going? Hey. Oh my goodness. You got your whole... Oh my goodness. Nova, come. Come on. Come on. You silly. Come on. Oh goodness. What are you doing? I guess you don't like the car. It's been a while. Oh, you lucky. Oh, mother got it. Oh. All right. Come on, Nova. Come on. Come on. Oh, you so scared. What are you doing? Why you back here? You back here with nothing. Come on. All right, I know what to do. I'll get you a treat. Get a treat. That should take care of it. Here. Come on. You like that, huh? I know you like that. Come on. Come on. And there. Go get it. Go. There you go. There you go. You'll get that treat. You like, where the hell is it? Well, just enjoy the treat. Where is it? All right. It ain't gonna mess up my treat though. All right. Well, that didn't go the way I thought it was gonna go, but it's all right. We'll try again next week. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Boop. Yeah. Yeah. He's still looking.